Kopeshwar Temple, Khajuraho of Maharashtra. The temple is located in Kolhapur district at Maharashtra and Karnataka border on the banks of Krishna river. It is only at a distance of 30 minutes from Narsobachi Wadi Datta temple. Kopeshwar is a unique and famous Shiva temple with no Nandi at the entrance. It is one of the few temples with deity of Lord Shiva in the form of Linga called Kopeshwar and Lord Vishnu also in the form of Linga called Dhopeshwar. The ancient story goes as Sati, along with Nandi, went to her father's Prajapati Daksh place at Yedur, a place which is south of Khidrapur, to attend the Yagya. Sati jumped in Yagya fire and ended her life when Prajapati Daksh insulted her and Lord Shiva. Angry Lord Shiva, Kopeshwar Mahadev, created Veerabhadra, the Rudra, from his hair and asked him to destroy Prajapati's Yagya. Due to his anger, the whole world was at verge of destruction. Lord Vishnu, Dhopeshwar, brought Lord Shiva to Khidrapur to pacify the anger and stop from destroying the world. Since Nandi had gone to Yedur with Sati, we don't see Nandi idol in Kopeshwar temple. The exterior has stunning carvings of deities and secular figures. The temple rests on incredible Gajapatta, a platform of 92 carved elephants sustain the weight of temple at the base. On the outside of the temple, Shiv Lilamrit is carved. Along with Shiv Parvati carvings, we can see Lord Brahma idol on left side and Lord Vishnu idol on right side, experiencing Tridev at a glance on three outer sides of the temple. We can also experience one more Tridev at the entrance of Sabha Mandapa. When we stand at the center of Swarga Mandapa, idol of Lord Brahma on left hand side wall, Lord Shiva in the Garbhagruha and idol of Lord Vishnu on right hand side wall. One can also experience Kirtimukha at the top of the carvings. Kirtimukha, the glorious face, is the face of swallowing fierce monster with huge fangs and gaping mouth. A common icon of Hindu temple and Buddhist architecture in India and Southeast Asia. Kirtimukha is a symbol of Shiva. We can also experience Kirtimukha panels on four pillars in Sabha Mandapa. The entire temple is divided into four parts. Round shaped Swarga Mandapa, the hall of the heaven. Square shaped Sabha Mandapa, the conference hall. Antaral Kaksha, the intermediate space. Garbhagruha, the sanctum sanctorum. The hall is open to the sky with a circular opening. When one looks at the sky through circular opening, one gets mesmerized and gets a feeling of looking at the heaven. Justifies the name Swarga Mandapa. At the bottom, A 14 feet in diameter, round shaped basalt stone is placed exactly under the ceiling to let smoke out during the yajna or the havan. The hall is supported by 48 engraved pillars with attractive carvings of poses of gods and artists. Sabha Mandap has three entrances. The main eastern entrance from the Swarga Mandap. Others are on north and south. We can see a row of 5 Dwarpals, the guards on either side of all three doors. The mandap is supported by 60 carved pillars. Kirtimukha panels are carved on 4 central pillars of the Sabha Mandap. Stories of Ramayana, Panchatantra are also carved on the pillars along with Vishnu Avatar, Maruti and Gautam Buddha. You come across the sculpture of Saptamatruka, a group of 7 mother goddesses, along with Shiva on left and Ganesha on right near southern door of Sabha Mandapa. These were deity of Chalukyas. Matrikas are different form of Adi Parashakti. Matrikas are the power of different devas. Brahmani from Brahma, Vaishnavi from Vishnu, Maheshwari from Shiva, Indrani from Indra, Kaumari from Skanda, Varahi from Varaha, and Chamunda from Devi. The space between Sabha Mandap and Garbhagriha is called Antaral Kaksha. We can see 2 Dwarpals at the entrance of Antaral Kaksha. Both Vishnu and Shiva in the form of Linga are present in the Garbhagriha. Deities with beautiful cloths and ornaments are carved on outer wall of the temple. Different poses of dancing women are also carved on outer wall of the temple. One can also experience moon at the center of the Swarga Mandapa on Tripurari Purnima. Khidrapur is one of the top places to visit to experience the ancient architecture.